In 24 hours, there is a huge event taking place, actually less than 24 hours. So tomorrow there's going to be a $615 million Bitcoin expiration for options. And this actually has a huge effect on every single cryptocurrency. We even have Elon Musk potentially about to buy Twitter and to take a massive ownership role. And in addition to that, there's a lot of crazy things that I need to share with you in this video, so make sure you stay until the end. Now, if you would consider doing so, it really helps out the channel. Please consider giving this video a thumbs up and letting me know in the comments below, do you think Elon Musk owning Twitter outright will actually have a huge or positive effect on cryptocurrencies, especially Dogecoin? We know that Dogecoin obviously is up today, and that is certainly because Elon Musk's news concerning Twitter. Now, moving forward, there's a whole bunch of information that we have to get to. And let me go ahead and take off some of these indicators, but we are seeing Dogecoin very bullish today. And yesterday in the Patreon, where we do buy alerts for cryptocurrencies and where you can follow all of my exact trades, we did yesterday morning at 11 o'clock an entry to Dogecoin. So we did a buy alert for Dogecoin, which is certainly in profits today after that massive spike. Very cool. Dogecoin is positively affected by Elon Musk owning Twitter. And Elon Musk owning Twitter is certainly going to have a huge effect on the whole crypto market and Dogecoin and some other meme coins as well. So this is a very good thing. But here is certainly the thing. We're going to get into this article, but even more importantly, I need to share with you and give you an update of what is happening in the crypto market. So in conclusion of what has happened in the last 24 hours is we saw a breakout, a bullish breakout yesterday. And the bullish breakout happened and we were looking very good until we started to literally just come down. And we came down exactly to the level we started at yesterday. So it shows you the volatility in the market. It shows you that you need to take profits in this current time period, because whenever there is green, there's just as much as red, and it happens very, very fast. Now, there's no particular reason why cryptos have gone down. It's just the normal volatility of the market. And we also saw that in the stock market as well. The stock market is red. It's been really dragging the crypto market down. But here is something very interesting. So we did break out yesterday and we came back down just yet again, and we are at about $40,000 for Bitcoin, and this is a very key level for Bitcoin. But Bitcoin needs to continue to break past this resistance again, which is another 2% move. A 2% move is very small, but we should be able to break a 2% move most likely. But this is what concerns me, is that we have come down to the exact same level where we were, but we did not really surpass it. We did wick below, but we did not really surpass it. So we are seeing a double bottom, so which means that we come down to the same exact support level. And a double bottom is actually a bullish sign. A double bottom is a bullish sign versus obviously coming down and breaking below. So that is a bullish sign, but hopefully we can continue to move up again and break this resistance level, which is certainly needed. And a lot of this is happening because of market manipulation. There's a lot of market manipulation taking place because tomorrow there is a huge options expiration. This is massive, $615 million. So that means there's bulls, there's bears, there's people fighting to suppress the prices of cryptos or to push them up. And what the bulls need to do, if they don't want to lose a lot of money, is they have to push up Bitcoin. They have to push up the price of cryptocurrencies. And this is very likely to happen, actually. So if the bulls can push up Bitcoin tomorrow, that will have a very profound effect on cryptocurrencies, and we could see a short squeeze. We could see a very explosive price action tomorrow leading into this weekend. And of course, we know that the weekends have been low volume weekends. There's a lot of sell-offs on the weekends, and there's not a lot of trading going on. So that does cause red on the weekends. Especially Sunday, when the volume really starts to pick up because the futures market starts to open up, and that does cause volatility. So we are keeping a close eye on the current market. And honestly, it is not the most bullish thing to see something go up and immediately down very fast. That is not a very bullish thing. And we saw that previously last week. Literally the same thing, these crashes. We would see these crashes, we'd see these pump ups really fast, and then it would come down just as fast. And that happened right before these major crashes. So we could see another crash. We could see another correction in the market. That's certainly possible. Hopefully it doesn't happen, but remember, nothing in this video is financial advice. These are just all of my own opinions. Honestly, that is not the most bullish thing. The bullish thing would be for us to continue going up and up and up. But for us to literally come back down to the same level does have me question the strength of the current market. And considering tomorrow what is happening, with that major options expiration with all the manipulation. I'm not going to be faked out or scared to sell my position at this point, but we do want to keep a close eye on the market, and that is what we do in the Patreon, where I put out alerts and updates at all times. Now, here is the thing. Elon Musk's top priority for Twitter includes cutting down on crypto scam tweets. So another thing, obviously, we talked about in the beginning of this video that Elon Musk is looking to take a bigger share of Twitter, and that is a very good thing. But him taking a bigger share, bigger ownership, potentially buying it outright, whatever that entails, he does want to change some things around. And we see there's a lot of crypto scams on YouTube. There's a lot of crypto scams everywhere, scammers everywhere in comments, and just all these bots and all these types of things that we see in the comments, as you see down below. A lot of the people that are replying to you are scammers, or not me. In fact, we see a lot of these things, and Elon Musk is certainly looking to take an end to this. So this is a very good thing. But if this were to happen, where Elon Musk were to buy Twitter to take complete ownership or have a bigger ownership than what he currently has, I think that's going to have a huge effect actually on Dogecoin, and that would really have a awesome effect on Dogecoin, where we could potentially see that another crazy bull run for Dogecoin like we saw literally just a year ago. And that's really cool that he's trying to do this. So by the time maybe he potentially purchases Dogecoin, it could be 420. We're 6 days away from 420. So that would be awesome to see for Dogecoin holders and for meme coin holders alike. In conclusion, the market is volatile, ladies and gentlemen. It is not the most beautiful place right now, but we are not completely bearish. Things are not over with. There are some bullish opportunities, as we are seeing. There are some bullish patterns here, but we are still in somewhat of a neutral zone where we're just kind of like not very sure of the market. When we start to break these resistance levels, like the resistance level that we hit yesterday, 41.5 for Bitcoin, we need to keep a close eye on the market. But if we start to break these resistance levels and continue to go up, then we have confirmation, we have understanding of where the market is headed. But if we just go up and down, up and down, up and down, the market is neutral, it is trading sideways, and there's no sure momentum, there's no short direction. And that makes it difficult for us who are investing and trading. When you have direction, whether things are going down, you can make money. When you understand the direction, when things are going up, as the trend is your friend, and to the end, you can make money more easily. But when the market is neutral and just going up and down very fast, it is harder to make money for sure. Now, hopefully tomorrow, with this options expiration, as I talked about in the beginning of this video, this will have a positive and profound effect, but this is definitely going to be moving the market some way. It's going to be up or down. Nobody knows for sure. But when it goes up or down tomorrow, there's going to be a lot of movement, whether it is a big breakout to the upside or a big breakout to the downside. That's why I'm making this video, to let you know that a big move is most likely going to be taking place tomorrow, especially with $615 million to be moving the markets tomorrow. Now, if you've gotten something out of this video so far, give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And if you want to learn technical analysis, learn all of these cool secrets that I have, make sure you join my course. It is 66% off right now, and open up an iTrust Capital account if you want to day trade cryptocurrencies tax free. Check out the links in my video description, my top pinned comment, and I will see you all later. Have a great night.